Chautauqua County, a symphony of sights and sounds. Come to Chautauqua to play, explore, relax, and learn. See picture-perfect villages, lakes, and countryside. Attend a performance. Shop for fine gifts, antiques, and local art. Tee off in the best little golf town in America. Celebrate the harvest at a local festival. Tour the shoreline along Lake Erie with century-old vineyards and wineries in the largest Concord grape-growing region in the world. Walk amidst whispering trees and winding streams on trails and wildlife sanctuaries throughout the region. Experience the beauty and adventure of a true winter wonderland. Come for a visit, stay for a while, and be transformed by the music of Chautauqua. Listen for the crescendo at the Chautauqua Institution. You'll find an extraordinary blend of arts, education, recreation, and religion. Come for music and art. Take time for world-class golf and recreation. Or tour the historic Victorian-era grounds and note over 130 years of architectural styles. Browse through the bookstore and library, which stay open year-round. Stroll along brick paths or climb aboard a horse-drawn sleigh ride. Pay attention to more subtle sounds at the Lilydale Assembly. With its tranquil 19th century atmosphere on Cassadaga Lake, this City of Light and Spiritualist Center offers workshops, seminars, and special events all summer long. Old World charm combines with New World excitement at the Peak and Peak Resort and Spa, the region's premier year-round family recreation destination. You can learn to golf, ski, or ride at top-notch training centers. Test your skill on a championship-caliber course, or catch a glimpse of up-and-coming stars at weekend NASCAR races. Listen for the nuance of our quaint village settings. Travel to the peaceful village of Finley Lake for gift boutiques, or the bustling village of Bemis Point for lakeside nightlife. Find a myriad of dining, shopping, and entertainment experiences from Mayville to Fredonia. Our villages and local heritage give our Chautauqua Symphony character and flair. Learn about the lives and accomplishments of hometown heroes like Lucille Ball, the Queen of Comedy, the judicial Robert H. Jackson, former New York Governor Reuben Fenton, and Roger Tory Peterson, author of over 50 wildlife field guides. Also, relive Great Lakes maritime history at the Dunkirk Historic Lighthouse. Delight the senses with the music of the harvest. You'll savor the aroma of the Lake Erie Concord grape belt, America's grape country, with its abundance of native varieties. Additional vineyards yield viniferous grapes to produce wines for all tastes. Find your favorites at wineries along the Chautauqua Wine Trail, or celebrate at a local festival. Enjoy Erie, Chautauqua, Findlay, Cassadaga, and Bear Lakes for swimming, boating, and fishing. You can rent a boat for a day of canoeing, kayaking, fishing, sailing, water skiing, or touring on the water. Or just play in the sand on one of the several public beaches. Hear the voices of nature at its best. Find perfect vantage points for bird migrations and lake vistas. Hike and camp along the western edge of the Allegheny Plateau. Cycle or walk the gentle grades of an extensive rails-to-trail system. With an average annual snowfall of more than 200 inches, Chautauqua's landscape becomes a winter lover's paradise. Snowmobilers enjoy hundreds of miles of trails groomed by 6 area clubs. Try our 2 ski areas with downhill slopes for the novice to the expert. Or explore the parks and trail system while cross-country skiing. Lakeside and fine dining, welcoming accommodations, pampering spas, resorts, and individual service complete a Chautauqua vacation experience. One you'll want to make an annual tradition. A symphony to experience again and again.